Get ready for innovation, connection, and growth. It's time for NPE 2024, the premier plastics trade show of 2024. Hello everyone, I'm John Martin, General Manager of YIZUMI-HPM, and I am excited to announce that YIZUMI-HPM will be attending NPE 2024 in May. We will showcase our innovative machines and solutions, including UN 230CE BTP, FF240M, and UN 500D1, as well as the Space A Industrial Pellet 3D printing, to connect with industry peers and explore new partnerships. YIZUMI has been at the development of the plastics manufacturing industry for over 2 decades, continually pushing the boundaries of innovation and delivering cutting-edge injection molding machines and solutions to its customers worldwide. Join us at the NPE 2024 and discover firsthand the cutting-edge solutions that YIZUMI-HPM is bringing to the table. Together, let's build a brighter, more sustainable tomorrow.